Good morning students. Continuation of chapter 15, that is the Mughal Empire. In previous class we discussed governance under Mughal Empire and decline of Mughal Empire. Today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. They are tick the correct options, fill in the blanks and true or false. Let's proceed ahead. For your first exercise is tick the correct options. Students, in this exercise you are given 4 options with each question. First you will read carefully. After that select correct one. Let's see first number. Humayun was defeated by. Options are Sher Shah Suri, Rana Sanga, Ibrahim Lodi, the Mongols. And correct answer is Sher Shah Suri. Students, we have already discussed that Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri at Chausa in AD 1539 and Kannauj in AD 1540. After these defeats, the Mughal Empire in India temporarily ended. Humayun had to spend nearly 15 years in exile in Persia. Now coming second number, Akbar's religious discussions took place at the. Options are Royal Palace, Diwan-e Khas, Mosque, Ibadat Khana. And correct answer is Ibadat Khana. Akbar set up an Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri where religious discussion were held every Friday evening. Now coming third number, in which language did Babur write his autobiography Tuzuk-e-Babri? Options are Arabic, Urdu, Turkish, Persian. And correct answer is Turkish. Babur wrote his biography Tuzuk-e-Babri in Turkish language. Now coming fourth number, Akbar ascended the throne at the age of. Options are 14, 13, 12, 11. And correct answer is 14. We have already discussed that Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar ascended the throne at the age of 14 under the guardianship of Bairam Khan. Now coming fifth number, which one of the following statements is correct? Options are Shivaji fought against Jahangir. Second, Humayun was defeated by Rana Sanga. Third, Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. And fourth, Aurangzeb was the last Mughal ruler. Correct answer is Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. Only this statement is correct. Now coming second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. Dash was Akbar's guardian. Correct answer is Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan was Akbar's guardian. Coming second number, Peacock throne was made for dash. Correct answer is Shah Jahan. Peacock throne was made for Shah Jahan. Now coming third number, dash assumed the title of Alamgir. Correct answer is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb assumed the title of Alamgir. Now coming fourth number, dash was the last Mughal emperor. Correct answer is Bahadur Shah Jafar II. Bahadur Shah Jafar II was the last Mughal emperor. Now coming fifth number, the Mansabdars were responsible for both dash and dash administration. Correct answer is civil and military. The Mansabdars were responsible for both civil and military administrations. Now come in third exercise, that is write true or false for the following statements. Students, in this exercise, with true statement you have to write true and with false statement you have to write false. Let's see first number. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Babur and Sher Shah Suri. It is false statement. The Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri, not Babur and Sher Shah Suri. So it is false statement. Now come in second number. Jahangir discontinued the administrative system that was introduced by his father. It is also false statement. Jahangir developed the administrative system that was introduced by his father. So it is false statement. Now come in third number. Din-e-Ilahi was a socio-religious path started by Akbar. Yes, it is true statement. Din-e-Ilahi was a socio-religious path started by Akbar. Now come in fourth number. Humayun fell from the stairs of his library and died. Yes, it is true statement. Now come in fifth number. Shah Jahan gave patronage to scholars, artisans and craftsmen. Yes, it is also true statement. Shah Jahan gave patronage to scholars, artisans and craftsmen. Students, exercise D, that is answer the following questions in brief, and exercise G, answer the following questions. We will discuss in next class. Now today's home assignment. Learn and write these exercises in notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.